In the meantime, New Road District in Clarendon was a buzz of activity Wednesday evening as hundreds of well-wishers and family members gathered to pay their respects on the 9th night of the murder of the 5 people in their community. Dwayne Anderson has that report.
Most of Wednesday night's activities centered on this small shrine that has been established at the family home. It bears the faces of the 5 murder victims. Member of Parliament for North Central Clarendon, Robert Morgan, was among those paying respects at the candlelight vigil. He said the pain is still raw among residents of the rural district.
We don't have these type of things up here. We don't have these types of incidents in our community. So it's very shocking to us as a community. We have not been able to process it yet. A lot of us don't even believe that it has happened. But we just have to stick together and support each other and be shoulders for each other and to pray for each other, because it's going to take a very long time for the community to heal.
Head of the Clarendon Police Division, Senior Superintendent Glenford Miller, thanked the people for helping investigators nab the main suspect. He said the case proves that Jamaicans can help nab criminals when they have the will.
I gave you, the community members, a charge when this incident took place. I spoke with you and said to you, help us to solve this crime. And you responded. You responded in every way, shape, and form. And I want to also thank the people of Jamaica who would have responded and also assist in actually bringing this situation to some amount of closure.
He argued that even though the DPP's office has given an indication of its plans to pursue the death penalty in the case, residents need to be patient and allow the justice system to work. But that call fell on deaf ears for the most part, as residents as well as their Member of Parliament have made it clear what they want.
I want to hang him. I want to hang him. I want to hang him. Trust me. You don't feed government food.
From he made the confession, he should have been hung.
I don't believe in the death penalty, but for this one I have to make an exception.
Well-wishers in the meantime are being encouraged to continue to comfort and support grieving family members.
Words will not be sufficient for the family. Although sometimes we might say that, yes, we know and understand what everybody grieves differently. We all grieve differently. What the family members need now more than ever is the support of each and every one of us to bring back their life to some amount of normalcy. So please, ladies and gentlemen, let us support them.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.